In this tutorial, we're going to go over editing the navigation menu. So once you're into your page builder, you can just click on Menu Manager in the top left, and you can see all the pages in our nav bar. Now we can add new items, delete, or drag and drop to rearrange. We're just going to go ahead and delete this financing link and hit Apply Changes. Now this isn't going to delete the page from our site, it's just going to delete the link in our navigation menu. So we'll see it's no longer here. We're just going to want to add that back in. We're going to go to Menu Manager and add a new item. We'll just call it Apply Now. We can link that to the credit app. Maybe if you're using your own third-party credit application, you can link to an external website. With the URL here, you can open in a new window. We also have options for linking to pages based on vehicle type or custom categories. We'll cover that in another tutorial. We're just going to link that to the credit app and hit Add. Now you can see we've got it here at the end. We're going to want to drag it right in between Vehicle Finder and Directions. So we're going to go back to the Menu Manager. We're going to just drag that up on the left. And we want to make sure to drop it on the left. And hit Apply Changes. Now we can see it's here on our nav bar in the correct position. Make sure to save your changes. And hit Publish to make your site live. And that's all for this tutorial.